Hey besties, what's up, what's up, what's up? So I'm back with another video. So I am doing a deep clean to my refrigerator. It literally needs to be deep clean. We got a whole bunch of leftovers in there. Stuff done spilled is stinking, like deep clean. So I was like, let me deep clean this refrigerator. So I took everything out and sprayed it down deep, washed the containers and the slides, and put everything back in and organized it a little bit better. Me cleaning a lot of most people is definitely of anxiety and just trying to get out of your head to just do something. So this right here of it being so dirty was a big anxiety of just clean it. My husband was going to clean it. He was like, dang, you already beat me to it. But I was like, I know I got it. It's just something that I just want to do. So this is what I did, just cleaned it out. Did a definitely deep clean and a refresher into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this can give you definitely a clean motivation to clean your refrigerator. I definitely also had to pull the refrigerator upwards and get behind the refrigerator as well. I did a full deep clean, but I didn't show that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those notifications on so you can be the first to know when I post a video. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.
I'm a rap star, and I'm running on my bands to the track star. All these niggas, I be with the trap stars. And we taking up on niggas like a nurse call. And I know the streets gon' fuck with me, got hood credit. Hood said it, talking to this hoe like I got full credit. Hood said it, wife let me to it, I got good credit. I said with the niggas sending shots on the hood ready. I fuck with the bitches who don't fuck with anybody. Girl, you know I love the way you touching on my body. Yo, please don't change on me, please don't try me. I know if I can't trust you, then I can't trust anybody. Why you try to hold me back? You supposed to hold me down. No, you supposed to help me flow, you almost made me drown. Please don't play around. Would you stay around? Would you stay around? And I stay the same, I can't, nothing change me now. And I see too much, I can't, nothing faze me now. And I put you through it, I know why you hate me now. But it's pain up on my chest cause it would make me now. Yeah, I can't lose, I can't afford it, got a baby now. They see my vision, I record it, so don't pay me now. Yeah, no, they see my vision like a GoPro, go. Got you on my ribby, shining rose gold. Oh, sure you don't care feeling, that's a no. I don't speak that language, I know I block. Hey, I'm a rap star, and I'm running on my bands like a track star. All these niggas, I be with the trap stars. And we taking up on niggas like a nurse call. I'm a rap star, I'm a rap star, I'm a rap star. Yeah, I'm a rap star, I'm a rap star, I'm a rap star. I see you change to be back cool. Don't come around me and act new. Still the same nigga, but your back cool. Still the same nigga, put a trash room. Know you free, please don't change on me. I don't got time, don't play games with me. Bust it wide open, finna let it rain on me. Change your sins, you already came with me. And I'm running for my bands, I got a cheat sheet. I'm the only one that once I gotta repeat. Got a Betty, so I feel I need it right now. ASAP, cause you got head like Riri. Only Betty's in rotation, I like free freeze. When I'm dabbing in that pussy, I like needy. Give me brain sitting down, she is CE. Ass fat when she back it up with her BB. And I still shoot my shot like a free throw. And she asked me with my sons like a Leo. What's my lawyer? What's my capping? I'm a Gemini, hoe, why you asking? And you know it's don't change, no. Don't change, no. I see you change to be like cool. Don't come around me and act new. Still same nigga loyal like who? Still same nigga put a trans on. Know you free, please don't change on me. I don't got time, don't play games with me. Bust a wide open till it rain on me. Change your sins, you already came on me.
It's Precious, his baby.
Sire. Baby, trabalhe. Olúwa, baby, trabalhe. For many blessings, to me, only shall I. Baby, trabalhe. Every day I do pray. Olúwa, beg, show me the way. Yeah, make you bless my day. Don't let my hustle be in vain. Yeah, every day I do pray. Olúwa, beg, bless my day. Yeah, now your hand that day. Baba jẹ́ kí n kó rete, yeah. I no wan be like my neighbor wey hustle yet he never make am. I no wan be like Papa Obinna wey hustle never make am. Baba, now your hand that day, make you show me way. Now your hand that day, Olúwa bless me, oh. Olúwa bless me, yeah. Olúwa lift me, oh. Olúwa bless me, yeah. Make you favor me, oh, yeah. I did do my best, I did leave the rest. I did do my best, unto you, Lord, I leave the rest. Olúwa bless my voice, as I dey sing, make it not turn to noise. Make you bless my voice, so as I dey sing, make it not turn to noise, yeah. I don't mean to be greedy, I don't mean to be stingy, yeah. But bless my pocket, make me self bless my papa pocket, yeah. Bless my mama pocket, Baba give to the needy man. I want help in my fellow man. Like a Olúwa bless me, oh. Olúwa bless me, yeah. Olúwa lift me, oh. Olúwa bless me, yeah. Make you favor me, oh, yeah. Olúwa bless my voice, oh, yeah. As I dey sing, making up turn to noise, oh. I dey do my best, oh, yeah. Unto you, Lord, I leave the rest, oh. Baby, trabalhe, fún mi ní blessings tí mi ò lè ṣàlàyé. Baby, trabalhe, Olúwa, baby, trabalhe, fún mi ní blessings tí mi ò lè ṣàlàyé. Baby, trabalhe.
Lemon mix.
It's a spiritual something, yeah. Spiritual. Side.
What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth? Yeah. What's the chance you're putting me out? What's the chance I'ma hear I don't love you, don't wanna lose your love, and you don't wanna let go? What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth? Yeah. Now you won't know my time, babe, but I can't even stand being with you. You stay on my mind, yeah. Typical of me, I'm confused. You're calling me up, picking you up and fucking you all night. I never know where it could go, but know that it won't be the last time. We fall asleep, wake up and act surprised. Sex was a secret, now it's an open lie. Remember I was wrong, I was stoned, you were like, oh, tables turning upside down. Cause once you seem to figure you out. You used to keep me on the sideline. Every now and then you told me I could swing, but you're hitting me up, giving it up, I guess you can act right. It's good if it doesn't resolve, but don't leave it causes another fight. You block my number, see, leave me alone. Then send me titties from another phone. Remember I was wrong, I was stoned, you were like, oh, oh. You had no love for me like, no. Probably cause you don't wanna reflect. There's a reason why this teaching gets you wet. What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth? What's the chance you're putting me